Studio for Teaching and Learning Innovation. I want to show you very quickly how you can fade in and out in an OpenShot video editor video. So, excuse me. I have a clip here on my timeline on track 1. And let's say I wanted to fade in very slowly on this one. So how do I go about doing that? So what I can do is I can right-click on my clip. Oops. I can right-click on my clip, and then I can go to Fade, and I can say Start of Clip. I'm going to do a slow fade in, and I'll click Slow Fade in. Now, if you notice, I'm going to zoom in over here so you can really see. I'm going to pull my slider bar all the way to the front so that I'm looking at the most zoomed in thing I can. So you'll see I changed this view from thumbnail to waveform so that you can see the waveform here. If I wanted to change it back to thumbnail, I could do that very easily by right-clicking, going to Display and Thumbnail. And now I see that thumbnail view. So now if you notice, I've got this little hash mark right here. And that means that that's where my fade is going to happen. So if I watch it, let's take a look. Hey, it's Mike here with Studio for Teaching and Learning. And as soon as it hits that hash mark, that's going to be at 100% visibility. And now if you take a look at my alpha here at the top, it's at 0. And as I drag my slider bar, you'll see it increases slowly, 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 so that it's halfway here, and then it hits a 100% when it hits that hashtag. So that's how you do a fade in, and you'll do the same thing with a fade out. Now, the key is to make sure that when you do anything, try to have your slider bar all the way at the beginning of the track, of the frame, the clip. Otherwise, it's going to sometimes take effect on the part that you don't necessarily want it to take effect on. So let me show you how to do that again. I'm going to sort of zoom back out so that we can see more of the video. And now if I wanted to drag another video, I'll just drag the same one to the second track, let's say. And I'll do the same thing. I will right-click. And you notice my slider bar is all the way over there at the left. That's fine. I'm going to say fade, and I'm going to say fade in slow at the start of the clip. And now you'll notice that my at this zoom ratio, my thumbnail is blocking that little hashtag, so it's really hard to see. But if I drag my slider bar all the way to the left, and then I stretch out my, if I slide over here, I'm at the bottom, I'm sliding my video over. And now you'll notice now that's you can see the hashtag a lot more easily with it zoomed in all the way so that each of these markers is at 1 second. So hopefully that solves your problem if you can't find where the hashtag is and you can't figure out what's going on with it. But that is how you can locate your hashtags.